The Tideway project on the whole is aiming to build a 25-kilometre super sewer under the Thames from east to west London. It's one of the largest civil engineering feats in Europe and the largest ever undertaken by the UK water industry. It's a £4.2 billion project. The central section of the project is split into 8 construction sites bordering the River Thames, including its main site, the TBM Drive site, Kirtling Street, where we are right now, and where the 2 tunnel boring machines will be taking off from. Initially, we carried out all the utility surveys for the 8 sites on the central project. That meant using EML and GPR to locate buried cables and buried services, with the idea of making an overall CAD map that we can use on the project so we don't hit these services when we start digging down. Once we've built up our single model environment drawing, we take on engineers' requests. The engineers may want to dig down, may want to build things up, break ground to carry out the project. Once we've taken on an engineer's request, we have to check through our drawings, we have to check through all the approvals from the service owners such as Thames Water and Cadent Gas to make sure we can use the tools they want to use, make sure we can dig in the areas they want to dig in, to the depths they want to dig in and the way they want to dig to build their structures. We then take all our information and we take their approvals to do the work to site, where our guys point out every service to the teams who are doing the digging. We make sure they're using the right tools and the right plant. The main challenges, as you can imagine, working in London is very, very congested. We have 8 sites. We have to get permits between every site, and we've got a huge demand from every single site to give them permits to their programme and to keep all of it safe. We're issuing marine permits to break ground within the Thames. We're building cofferdams to enable shafts into the Thames itself, and that's a new one to Vision. So we're about 2.5 years into what is a 7 or 8 year project. So far we've issued about 1,500 permits to break ground. So I'd say we're regarded as an essential part of the system and the enabling works as a whole.
Ferrovial and Langwalk have experience of working with Vision on other projects, most notably Ferrovial at Heathrow Airport. We wanted to use Vision as they provide an expert service with regards to utility identification, location and controlling the permit system. It's so important that Tideway and Vision have a good working relationship. The safety of our workers working near or around bay services, we need to make sure it has a robust system in place. The work that Vision do for us enables a seamless way to manage the risks of working around bay services.